When you're feeling kinda lonesome in your room, with a heartache following you so close behind, call out to me as I ramble by. I'll sing a song for you. That's what I'm here to do, to sing for you. When the night has left you cold and feeling sad, I will show you that it cannot be so bad. Forget the one who made you cry. I'll sing a song for you. That's what I'm here to do, to sing for you. When you feel you just can't make it anymore, with your head bowed down, you're staring at the floor. Search out to me with your weary eyes. I'll sing a song for you. That's what I'm here to do, to sing for you. Now every man, he has his work, you know, and to find out mine, you ain't got far to go. Call out to me with your weary eyes. I'll sing a song for you. That's what I'm here to do, to sing for you, sing for you. Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Saltfingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. A real oldie but goldie, this one from Donovan. A song called To Sing For You from one of his very early albums. Okay. Now then, you will, if you want to go on YouTube, you will find some versions of Donovan playing this. One of them is in front of Dylan in the very early days when the two of them got together. And Donovan's playing this song to Dylan. It's quite interesting. Right, I digest. Standard tuning to start with. So if you start with standard tuning, but I have altered the tuning slightly, I've gone down a step, or half a step, sorry, half a step. So your E note becomes E flat or D sharp, okay. The A string becomes A flat or G sharp, whichever you want to call it. D string becomes C sharp or D flat. G string becomes F sharp or G sharp, F sharp or G flat. And B string becomes B flat or A sharp, and top E string becomes E flat or D sharp. Okay, so it's all down one note on each string. Okay, then you'll be in tune with Donovan's recordings, okay, and Donovan playing it live as well in the early days, okay. And also, I think it does actually sound better with the guitar detuned slightly, okay, gives it a much more authentic sound, I think, okay, and it suits my voice better. So it's easier to sing. So let's get to it. So it starts off with this, the intro is like a G chord, okay, and you start off with playing the bass end of it and doing a couple of quick strums, sort of downstrokes if you like, and then that open fourth string, the D string, another couple of strokes, okay. And then what you do is you play the fourth string and you hammer up to the second fret and do a couple of strums. And you do repeat this about 4 times. Okay, so it's and then after about 4 times you do the same thing, but on the 5th string. You play the 5th string open, hammer up to the 2nd fret, and then back to G. Okay, so the whole, there's a little bit more to go, but most of it is this. keeping my little pinky on that top E string 3rd fret all the time, okay? And then at the very end of it, when he comes out of the, what that is an open 4th string, hammer up to the 2nd fret, open 4th string again, and back to the G. So the whole thing slowly, okay? Very slowly. I'll try and do it again. It's quite difficult to play slowly. Okay, then we're into the song. And the song goes G, coming out of that intro. When you're feeling kind of lonesome in your mind, and you play that riff you just played again with the open 4th string, hammer up to the 2nd fret, and then play the open 4th string again, and then back to the G. So when you're feeling kind of lonesome in your mind. Second line, it's exactly the same, G to C and back to G. The heartache following you so close behind. But the riff this time is a bit different. Same to start with, open 4th string, hammer up to the 2nd fret, open 4th string as before, but this time you hit the open 3rd string afterwards, before you go back to the G strum. So the first 2 lines, coming out of the intro, I'll do the intro as well, hang on. When you're feeling kind of lonesome in your mind, with your heartache following you so close behind. Okay, then we go to the C. Call out to me as I ramble on. Right, so that's C. Again, you hit that to start with, the bass note, 3rd on the 5th there. Call out to me, again, call out to me as I ramble on. So on ramble, you go to the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then to a D chord on by. So that's call out to me as I ramble by. Keeping on the C, you keep that, whilst you're doing that run down on the C, keep that 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string there. So call out to me as I ramble by. I'll sing a song, back to C, I'll sing a song, C for G, U. Okay, so call out for me as I ramble by. I'll sing a song for you. And then there's a little run up to C from the G, bottom E string, 3rd fret, open 5th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, and then to the C again. That's what I'm here to G do. Run again, run up to sing, back to C. It's quick one, this one. Back to sing for G, U. And then you do that open 4th to 2nd on the 5th, 2nd on the 4th, hammer, and then the open 4th again, like you did on the end of the intro. Okay, so from the middle of it, where it goes, call out for me as I ramble by, I'll sing a song for you. That's what I'm here to do, to sing for you. Okay, so let's do the intro and the 1st verse now complete, and then it's exactly the same for all the other verses. Okay, different words, it's exactly the same to play. Okay, so here we go, from the intro, don't rush it, it's fairly slow. Okay, so feeling kinda lonesome in your mind, with a heartache following you so close behind. Call out for me as I ramble by, I'll sing a song for you. That's what I'm here to do, to sing for you. When the night has left you cold and feeling sad, I will show you that it cannot be so bad. Forget the one who went and made you cry, I'll sing a song for you. That's what I'm here to do, to sing for you. Get the idea? So maybe just another 2 verses, exactly the same to play. The only thing that's different is on the very last verse, he doubles up on the last line to sing for you. Okay, so let's do the last verse for you. Coming out of the 3rd verse. Now every man has his work, you know, and to find out mine you ain't got far to go. Call out to me with your weary eyes, I'll sing a song for you. That's all I'm here to do, to sing for you, to sing for you. Okay, so all you do is you just play the last line again. Okay, so it's what I'm here to do, sing for you. Back to C, to sing for you, G, so C, sing for G, you. And then you just do that. What I'm doing there is I'm just hammering into that from open 4th to the 2nd on the 4th, along with the open 3rd string. And then the open 3rd and the open 4th together. Single strum on the G, end of song. So very slowly, where it goes, call out for me with your weary eyes, I'll sing a song for you. That's what I'm here to do, to sing for you, to sing for you. Okay, and there you have it, boys and girls. Donovan's classic song to sing for you, hopefully. You will enjoy playing that one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.